In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Microsoft Loop workspace. If you're looking to organize your workspaces more efficiently or just want a name that's more descriptive, this video will guide you through the process step by step. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser that you normally use. Once that's open, go ahead and type Microsoft Loop in the search bar. This will help you quickly find the official website. Click on the link to navigate to the Loop homepage. Now that you're on the Microsoft Loop website, you'll need to sign in to your account. If you're not logged in already, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Use your Microsoft account details to log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to register and create one before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard displaying all your workspaces. Take a moment to identify the specific workspace that you want to rename. This list is usually quite straightforward, but if you have many workspaces, don't rush. Scroll through them carefully to find the one you're looking to update. After you've found the workspace in question, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice that 3 dots will appear on the right side of the workspace name. This is your key to accessing more options. Simply click on these 3 dots, which will open a menu with various choices. In this menu, you'll see an option called Rename and Style. Click on that, and it will take you to a new screen where you're able to edit the title of your workspace. Now, here comes the main part. Click directly on the current title. This action will allow you to edit the name. Type in the new name you'd like to use. Try to choose a name that clearly represents the purpose or content of the workspace so that it's easy to recognize in the future. Once you've typed in the new name, look for the Update button, usually located at the bottom or top corner of this menu. Clicking this button is crucial because it saves all the changes you've just made. And there you have it. With the click of the Update button, you've successfully renamed your Microsoft Loop workspace. This new name will appear in your list of workspaces the next time you log in, helping you stay organized and efficient in managing your projects. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more guides. Have a great day polishing up your digital workspace.